Hello children, I am your Preeti ma'am. Today I am going to tell you how to write parts of the body in EVS notebook. This is your EVS notebook. This line is margin line and this line is headline. In the margin line you will put the date. I am writing here 3rd June 2021 3-6-21. Children, when you will do this work, you will put here that date only. Okay beta? Now in the headline you will put the heading P A R T S parts. Give one finger gap. O F off. Again give one finger gap. T H E the. B O D Y body. Parts of the body. Like this you will put the heading in your EVS notebook. Here you will write down C dot and W dot. Like this. In the margin line you will do numbering 1 to 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Like this you will put numbering. Okay, like this you will do numbering in the margin line. On the number 1 I am going to tell you how to write a spelling of head. What is the spelling of head? The spelling of head is HEAD. Children, first letter you have to write in capital cursive letter. Okay, H E A D head. HEAD head. On the number 2 EYEI. EYEI. On the number 3 cheek. CHEEK cheek. On the number 4 chin. CHIN chin. On the number 5 neck. NECK neck. On the number 6 hand. HAND hand. On the number 7 chest. CHEST chest. On the number 8 stomach. STOMACH stomach. On the number 9 back. BACK back. On the number 10 foot. FOOT foot. Now all of you read with me. HEAD, head. EYEI, CHEEK, cheek. CHIN, chin. NECK, neck. HAND, hand. CHEST, chest. STOMACH, stomach. BACK, back. FOOT, foot. Okay, like this you all will write in your EVS notebook in very good handwriting with sharpened pencil. Okay, now I am going to tell you how to draw a eye. Few things you need to draw a eye: a scale, a round lid, a pencil, eraser, sharpener and a earbud. Okay children, so let's begin. Put the scale like this, hold it like this. First you have to set the scale. Now push it from the left hand in the middle. Now with the help of pencil you have to draw a line like this. Here you have to put heading I, EYEI, like this. After that put this lid in the center, push it from the left hand and with the help of pencil you will make a circle like this. In the middle of this circle you have to make one more circle and here one more circle like this. Now in this circle you have to do the shading with the help of pencil. Okay children, after that draw lines like this with the help of pencil. Here you have to draw lines. Circle you have to dark with the help of pencil. Now pick up earbud and start shading. Children, this circle you have to leave like this. Don't shade this circle, okay? Now pick up the scale. Here you have to put the scale 2 inch this side and 2 inch this side. Draw a line. Now put your scale here. Same process. Now lines you have to erase. Here you have to draw eyelashes. Like this. Here you have to draw an eyebrow. After that, do the shading with the help of earbud, like this. Now eye is ready. All of you draw eye like this in your EVS notebook.